अरे वेट नो यार, वेट जस्ट फॉर
गाइस वो फट जाएगा।
वेट
गाइस
5 4 3 2 1 नाउ यू कैन ऑर्डर। हैप्पी आवर चालू हो गए ना नैना, वरना ये लोग मानते नहीं है।
तू आदमी है या पिगी बैंक?
बंदा दो पैसे बचाने से ना सुअर नहीं हो जाता।
शर्म कर, you're meeting your prospective wife for the first time today, huh? फिर भी कंजूसी। In fact, you should be treating us.
Treating you. Yes. Come here. Why don't you suck my junjun wala?
छी यार तुम ना।
Well, I will impress her with my money handling skills यार। CA, पैसे की वैल्यू तो जानती ही होगी।
सर आज हैप्पी आवर नहीं है।
Sanchit, I think you should ease off on saving for today.
संचित भाई, लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए ना स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा बहुत दिखाना पड़ता है, करना पड़ता है, बाद में क्या है, चिप्स देख लिए।
करना पड़ता है?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जब भी रेस्टोरेंट में
अरे अरे
मेन्यू कार्ड सबसे पहले लड़कियों को
कुछ
दिखाओ।
अरे जतिन भाई, आई नो यार, आई हैव इट ऑल सेट। मैंने क्या करना है, मैंने सूप ऑर्डर करना है, उसको 1 by 2 करना है, उससे मेरी मनी सेविंग स्किल्स भी दिख जाएंगी और मेरी शेयरिंग भी पता पड़ जाएगी। एंड यू नो, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग।
Wow, Sanjay. Wow. I'm just dying to meet this lucky girl who has the courage to even think of marrying you.
शायन ब्रो, आई हैव जस्ट वन रिक्वेस्ट। मुझे प्लीज प्रॉमिस कर दे तू पल्लवी के सामने अपने भद्दे मुंह से घटिया जोक नहीं मारेगा।
Promise, bro.
प्लीज। She's calling, huh? Just wait. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Pallavi.
Hi, Nandini.
You're here. Yeah, we're in the cafe. Yeah, in the corner. I can see you. Yeah, the one with the smart shirt. Come.
Hi, Sanchit. Pallavi.
Hi. I recognize you from the pictures my mom had forwarded me, na?
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. So she's my best friend Nana.
Hi.
That's Jatin.
Hi.
ये शयान है. ये भी घूमता है अपने साथ ही.
Okay.
Please come, no. Please sit here.
Yeah, sure.
Actually ना, मैं नहीं चाहता था हमारी पहली मीटिंग 1-on-1 सेशन हो. जैसे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में होता है, एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन, वो कर लेते हैं, फिर इंटरव्यू पे भी चलेंगे.
Sarita aunty was saying आप काफी funny हो.
Good old Sarita auntie. Always spot on.
You know Sarita aunty?
No.
भाई साहब, स्पेशल इंस्ट्रक्शंस, हाँ? माय ट्रीट ना. Yeah, so let's get straight to the point here. I saw your biodata. I was very impressed. आप एक तो वेजिटेरियन हो, ऊपर से you are a good chartered accountant और CBSE भी.
Oh wow. So you are a CA.
Nana, we're trying to get to know each other. So, Pallavi, आपका हमारी शादी को लेके क्या विजन है?
Vision?
As in like a 5-year plan. हम कब शादी करेंगे, कहाँ शादी करेंगे, हमारे बच्चों का नाम क्या होगा? कुछ तो सोचा होगा आपने?
नहीं, मैंने तो इतना सब अभी सोचा.
मैंने सब सोचा होगा. हमारे पहले बच्चे का नाम होगा अभय. क्यूट ना?
Okay.
No, they know about Abhay.
Yeah.
Look, Sanchit, I don't know what you're thinking, but isn't this too soon to discuss all this? I mean, we're just getting to know each other, na?
Why are you calling me 20 times, huh? But I'm clearly avoiding your bloody calls, huh? Are you an idiot? Have you just like crawled out of some World War II bomb shelter with no reception in it? I'm cutting the fucking phone and I will call you back when I have to. Over and out.
Oh, easy. क्या हुआ?
भाई, तेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया क्या?
I wish, man. This guy from the accounts team is eating my head, dude. Something about tax returns and he needs details from me. Some exemption shit. What exemption, bro? अगर tax भरना ही है, then why bother?
Why bother?
You don't want to take tax benefits?
No exemption under 80C.
What about ELSS investments?
which have the shortest login period of only 3 years.
And what about indexation benefits?
From investment in long-term debt funds that save taxes by factoring in inflation.
That's crazy.
वही तो पागल है साला.
Well, I'm glad you both found something to talk about. But no, I've not ever thought about tax benefits.
I don't believe this. By the way, how old are you?
32.
Bro, you really need to get your tax game together. You don't want to save your money through tax exemptions.
पल्लवी, आप ना इसको मत समझाओ. एक तो ये आपकी बात सुनेगा नहीं और बाद में आपको ही कंजूस करेगा.
Hey, that's not true, Pallavi. I only call him a conjuice when he acts like one. Like right now, when he intentionally divided like 2 orders of soup into 5. But ये जितना भी कंजूस हो ना, he always has my best financial interest in mind.
That's nice.
Pallavi, I think you and Sanchit should set up a date. Like a finance date. You sit with Shayan and help him to understand how to get exemptions on taxes. Right?
How romantic for the two of you. And how boring for me.
Boring na, Shayan? Okay, let me just try to explain it to you quickly. Under Section 80C, our government's policy allows you tax exemption if you invest in bonds, mutual funds or other financial instruments. For example, PLSS or equity-linked savings scheme. It allows you exemptions of up to 1.5 lakh on your income. Policies that cover you and your family can also get you exemptions of up to the same amount. And all this time, these financial instruments are creating wealth for you.
Wow. That actually allow that? Seems unbelievable.
So Shayan, you should go ahead and make some smart investments for your future.
Thanks, yeah, Pallavi.
And use this tool to remember this occasion.
Smart selfie tool?
Yeah, just take a picture, add your financial goal in the app, like in your case it's tax savings, and use it to motivate yourself.
Pretty smart.
Interesting, huh?
And Shayan, now you won't need to attend these boring finance dates. Instead, we can move to one-on-one interview from this group discussion stage. What say?
Why not?
Oh ho! Is my boy blushing? I can hear wedding tolls. Or is that just the sound of your stomach rumbling?
Come on, yaar, shut up.
Come on, bro. Have some soup, bro.
We know you've really enjoyed the episode. To find out more about Friday Finance, please visit htfridayfinance.com or click on the link below.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. Investors should deal only with registered mutual funds, details of which can be verified on the SEBI website under intermediaries/market infrastructure institutions.